I was not supposed to make this video or upload this video, but I am in a dire situation and my situation is not looking good. So I'm making this video. Why I started a video as a medical student? Because I have a lot of things to work on. I became lazy. I am not studying well enough. I am not putting the 100% effort. And now I am facing financial crisis. And as I have always studied, I developed skills. I know how to do business when I was in my country. I never had a chance to do it because as a student who is pursuing a medical career, you can imagine the amount of information and materials I need to study every day continuously. I don't have time to put in another things. I apologize, my English is not good. I am still trying because it's not my mother tongue and I'm not a native English speaker. Why I started YouTube? Because I need money. Why I need money? To pursue my education. I don't know if I can afford to continue my studies starting from the next semester, which would be September of 2026. My family is facing a really troublesome financial problem, and that's why I'm focusing on YouTube. Many people, you guys come to YouTube to earn money for like hobby or as a income source, but I was forced to do YouTube. I'm not an extrovert person, or I am not a comfortable one to speak in front of camera. I am an introvert. I am a deep down introvert. So for the last 1 year, more than 1 year, I tried again to come in front of camera and make videos, because I believe I am not talented, I am not brilliant, but I can try. If he is fast, if the talented person is fast enough, brilliant enough, he has unlimited potential. I am not that much talented, but I am talented in one thing, because I believe there is two talents in the world. Is inborn talent, the innate talent to pursue something, and another is talent of hard work. I think I have the talent for hard work, and because Allah Ta'ala knows best, every time I have put in efforts in something, I have always succeeded. So still I'll gonna try with a good intention to pursue everything that I can for the next 100 days. I will gonna continuously upload shorts. I'll continuously upload 100 shorts every day, 100 long form videos, and I'll try to go on a live for 4 hours, 2 to 4 hours, with all the classes, editing and managing my studies, because I don't have any other way to earn money, and I don't know any other way, because I'm in China. I can't do any part-time job, and I can't do any business because I'm an introvert. I know I can do business, but it will take time. If I want to do business, I at least have to have seed money. I really didn't want to mention it. I am sorry for mentioning this thing. I'm embarrassed to talk about these things, my personal things on YouTube, and that is that my living expense is not more than like $50 or $60 in a month. And now I like recently I shifted my apartment because my university doesn't provide dorms for international students after 6 months or 1 year. So it's my second year, 4th semester. I'm almost 1.5 years studying in China, and my previous rent was like nearly half, but that room was like a cell, a prison, because there was no windows, no air, so I couldn't breathe anything. I had to know what is going on outside, what was the weather from my mobile, because there are 3 person when I was there, and we 3 person sharing the rooms. the apartment. Those two guys has their rooms which had windows, and those are good, but the one in the middle, it was blocked. No air, no light. So even if it cost me nearly double the amount of money, so I shifted there. I knew my family is not well enough. I tried to convince my father I would not pursue medicine if you can't provide me well enough, father. I know it will be heavy on you. Still, I came because nobody knows if you're gonna live or die in the next moment, the next minute, the next hour, rather the next day, or even today, or right now. I'm breathing right now. Suddenly, my breathing can be stopped. I may die. So at least I can die. I never gave my 100%, but that 100 days, the next 100 days, I'm gonna put every effort I can to make it succeed and get my YouTube channel monetized and at least earn some money for the next 2 months. My target is to get my YouTube channel monetized before July, by the end of June, and start earning at least a little bit amount of money, like $200 or $300. It will be more than enough for my tuition fees. I don't need anything. I don't need that much money. $200 or $300 for a month is enough for my whole tuition fees, as I am a self-funded student. I really don't want to talk about these personal things. I'm sorry for these things, but I thought I should make a video and express the feelings in my heart. I'm not good with talking, as you can see. Either I will fail or either I will die. That is the thing. My dream was to become a doctor and save lives and contribute to my country and society. Maybe I failed. I don't know. I will try. Wanted to become someone to save lives. Now my life is on someone else's hand. May Almighty Allah protect me and I don't get depressed and still trying hard. All the best, and thank you for everyone who's still listening.